Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be upgrading the head museum. And I was kind of making I made a chest room. It was very hard, and I figured out how to get these invisible iron frame thingies, but it was very hard to make. It took me a lot of time. I'm not even done yet, so I still have a lot of stuff to do. But before that, I'm trying to upgrade the my my head museum, so I'm trying to make it into like a really big thing with like grinders and everything, but I don't know. Seriously, now I spawn right here. So we'll go along here. And then we'll go up. So I added an upstairs area here. So I added a little bit of that. And this is going to be kind of like nether themed. So we'll pop a crafting table down. We're going to need that. That right there. Alright, so we're going to need polished blackstone. So I literally took every single, well, not every single, but most, but a lot of my nether stuff. And then I'm trying to make everything into the stuff I need.
He died.
Oof. And Catherine's here with me, but like you guys can't hear her because she's too like far away right now.
Hello!
Okay, now you can hear her. We were going to do some kind of other thing because the update, but then I got the update and somehow Catherine didn't. Like, she can't get it. Like, it's not updating for her, so I can't join her because her thing is outdated. So it's very sad, and my fingers are dying right now of all this clicking.
Wait, you have that recording on your computer?
Yeah, of course. Venmo, it's like a different one. It's not that good. I lost a bunch of recordings on it. But I mean, that's all I have, so it's fine.
They all died, LOL.
LOL, and Catherine's in her own world right now. Alright, so we're gonna make this all black stone bricks. I think those are really nice. And Lowerfield server didn't get the new update yet. So, huh? Oh no, because they have to update the server itself, which is gonna take a lot of time. So, like, servers kind of like have like updated more slower. That farm is so cute over there. Oh my gosh. So we're just gonna continue along the walls. But that's gonna be my chicken spawner place. So I have a chicken spawner, which I spent a lot of my money on. And then I'm gonna put it right here. Alright, let's go. My chicken spawner is running. I do have a silk touch pickaxe because last time my sheep spawner broke. So I don't know. And I have tons of bamboo.
Oh, shut up, you things.
Hey.
The blocking is driving me cuckoo.
Don't spawn him! Simple as that.
Bam! They all died.
Oof, unfortunate. And guys, if you like Minecraft, you should definitely check out
44 feathers and 39 raw chicken.
Good for you. I know how easy it is to like place things in Minecraft Java. You just click on it and it goes crazy. Yeah, I'm speed bridging. Let's go. I can speed bridge on Java edition. Oh. You could have moved that clutch. Wee! And guys, it's officially summer break. I don't know when I'm gonna post. I'll probably post it today because I said it's summer break. But yeah, today's the last day of school.
For both of us. Sarah's going to middle school and I'm going into...
And Catherine's
Sarah's going to middle school and I'm going to 5th grade.
Yeah.
She's 1 year older than me in case you didn't know.
Yeah.
And then she's going to Korea and never coming back.
No, I'm coming back. Don't worry.
Good.
No, I just wasted my silk touch pickaxe. Alright, I just hope it's kind of dark up here. So I don't know if I should just keep working on it, or kind of like go to sleep or get some torches. Definitely need some torches. Let's see. Actually got a beacon for like 2,000 and 5,000. Like I got it for such a deal. Wait, 1,000 for efficiency 1. I mean, I kind of want it. Diamond shovel. No, wait. Okay. I thought they deleted the diamond shovel. Efficiency 1 though. Like if I had like efficiency 3, I would buy it. But
Bam!
efficiency 1, it's kind of crappy, I guess. No, I can get better. I can actually enchant better. So I did care what to name this. This is actually really good. 50,000 for decapitation 1. Oh god. Should I buy this? Catherine, should I buy this? Has decapitation. Catherine, should I get this axe for $50,000?
Well,
It has decapitation and all these enchantments, and it's also signed by these people.
yes, then yes.
But it's $50,000. Do you know how expensive that is?
Then no.
Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna buy this.
You were saving up for Elytra though.
I know, but it's actually decapitation was like that's 1. Decapitation 1, but like I really want it.
What's decapitation?
It lets you have the other player's head. Okay, I bought it. Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
It actually didn't affect my money like that much. Like I mean, it affected, of course, but not that much. And I also got this for like 1,000 or something. Nice. Okay, I could probably. So I need to trap these players inside so I can kill them. Gosh, I really need some torches. Alright, I have silk touch. I'm just gonna place down some glowstones here. Boop. Boop. Some glowstone to light up the floor. I think that's good. Okay, let's go. We're gonna do that. So this is where I'm gonna trap all the players. Gosh, this is not gonna be easy. Okay, claim/claim. And then I'm gonna need to go to the purple. Uh-oh, not that one, not this one. Okay.
So I'm using your iPad for something too.
Okay. All players, damage goes off, damage. Okay.
I'm using voice type.
Okay.
How do you get a brown mushroom in
items.
Minecraft?
No. Brown mushroom?
Yes.
You gotta hit a mushroom with lightning.
Oh. I think I can do it. Alright, I'm gonna do it.
Alright, so now I gotta go back to my. This is so hard. Who knew it'd be this hard to get a player's head? Sheesh! Where is the one that says you can PvP?
Nice! I got a brown mushroom! You, my brownie, are going to be my pet. Oof,
Alright.
The floor is really hard even though it's carpeted, so.
I know. Okay, let's do this. Teleport. I will kill you for your head. Armor off. No killing each other. There. Teleport. I will kill you for your head. Armor off. No killing each other. Run.
What?
Wait, why can't I kill you? No, why can't I kill? I know. Wait. Oh gosh. Oh no. I'm gonna die by this person. I can't believe I just died.
Did you lose all your stuff?
No, you don't lose stuff in this server, which is the good thing about it. But like, what the heck? Hello, I spawned in. Let's go. Let's see. Did I want? Okay, I was supposed to get your head. Excuse me, not you guys. Why can't I hit you anymore? What is happening? Did I buy this for nothing? It has decapitation one. Why? Let's claim. Gotta go to that. Gotta go to that. Gotta go to this. Gotta go to this. PvP. Click to enable PvP. Now,
Oh my gosh, you idiot.
Why can't I hit you?
Why
What is
you
it?
in here? Fine. Oh, you idiot.
You kidding me? I want your head, alright? Okay, what if...
You.
Okay, my controls are inverted. So, So it might be that I have to click to... And... Come on. What if I go like this? Click to go. Can I kill you now? No. Why can't I kill you? What the heck? That was weird. That was weird. Why couldn't I kill anyone, Catherine? I did PvP enabled. What do you mean?
I mean, oops.
Alright, let me try this again. Okay, both claims. Oh, I might have been in a different claim. That might have been why. I think that might have been why. Oh my gosh. I think I just figured it out! Darn, explore! But I need to stand in here for people to teleport, so. But I'll go out and close it. Teleport. I will kill you for your head. No armor. Okay, oh, who cares? I'm just gonna close this right up. Come on, teleport to me. Good. Why can't I kill you? Why can't I kill people? Oh, wait, no, it's working. Give me your head. No, give me your head. No. You're not gonna kill me. I have decapitate. That didn't work. Alright, we're gonna try this again. Teleport. Kill for your head. No armor, please. Okay, alright. I have cooldown. Sheesh! And I think it works. Teleport.
This is one smart museum.
Teleport. Kill for your head.
Look, I don't have time
No
for any games.
armor.
Oh my. Is this my first time?
Oh, come on. Slash, got that. Teleport. Did I just spell teleport wrong? Sheesh!
Don't tell me that I just.
No armor, please. Let's go. Teleport, kill for your head.
Don't tell me that I just did.
Why can't I kill you, boy? Why can't I kill you? Okay, I can only kill you in
believe
this.
that I actually just did that stupid.
No, you're not supposed to hit me. I'm only supposed to hit you. Are you kidding? No, I'm supposed to hit you, not you're supposed. You have decapitation. You kidding me? Are you seriously kidding me? Can't be serious. I'm gonna put in the chat. You cannot kill me. I'm supposed to kill you. All right. All right. All right. Now I'm gonna kill you. All right. All right. All right. All right. Good. I have decapitate. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Let's go kill him. Let's go. Good. 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 Kill him. Go ahead. Hey, you're gonna kill me? I thought we were friends. I thought we were friends, bro. Calm down.
Let's quickly say that they're your friends.
No, we're not friends. Just calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Look, I'm not good at PvP, alright? Alright, he left. That's good. Woo! That was intense. My decapitation's not working, Catherine. Cause it's only decapitation 1. But I got a really good, axe. I don't know if I can. That's efficiency 3. That's efficiency 5, and I'm breaking 3. That's a. I don't know if I can combine these. Should I make an anvil? I don't know if I should make an anvil. Okay, I'm gonna make this now. Who cares? I'm just gonna enable PvP, and I'll probably make like a PvP arena too. Ooh, would you like to come to a head museum with a chicken grinder and a PvP arena and what is that thing? A parkour course? Definitely, right? Catherine,
What?
would you like to come to a head museum with a chicken spawner that you can and the PvP arena and
Yes.
okay,
Totally.
me too.
All I need is mending now.
Oh, Sky City. Wait, no, I think it's a different Sky City. Okay, I need to go to my other home. Hello, my main home. And I need to get some blackstone, obsidian, black concrete, black wool. Sheesh! Blackstone, let's go. I like saying sheesh. Can you believe, guys, that Catherine didn't know what sheesh meant? That's absurd. Well, yeah. And I figured out, well, not figured out, but I learned from a YouTube video from this person how to make chest shops, so now I'm actually selling some stuff too. Alright, let's make some pot. Okay, my fingers are going to die, absolutely. Whee!
If I have to drag you one single more time, I'm killing you. And I got through all that lightning striking thingies for nothing. You got that? Huh?
Pet mushroom?
Yes.
Ugh, they're such a...
Stupid dumbheads.
Hey, don't insult mushrooms.
Well, they're being so annoying.
You know, you're annoying.
Oh,
burn!
Not as annoying as this mushroom, dude.
And guys, I have a TikTok now, so follow me. It's called Sarah_plays_honk. You know, I like gooses. I mean, geese! Grammar. No, you say geese. Geese. Wee
Come on, you
wee.
stupid mushroom. I don't have time for you. Oh my gosh,
Hey.
You died.
Lead it. Lead it.
I did lead it. And he died.
Why he died?
IDK, why he died?
Maybe he was sad about you bullying him, so he's like, goodbye. I never liked you anyways.
Ooh.
I never liked you
Now I
anyways.
have to make another brown
Do.
mushroom.
What can you do with basalt? Can you make like polished basalt? Yes, you can. How wonderful. What the?
There we go.
Wait, what command did you do?
/summon lightning _ bolt.
Good for you. You can also make Thor's hammer. It's way cooler.
Oh, and watch this video if you haven't. Thor's hammer.
Yes, making how to make Thor's hammer. It's super awesome. Okay, I have an idea here. A great idea. We're gonna go like this.
Also, guys,
Go
in
up.
that video we were kind of noobs for. Sorry, so sorry about that. Now for the pink sheet.
Whee! There you go.
Yeah.
Polished basalt. Okay,
A
that
quiz for
looks
you.
good.
Is this a real pink sheet?
What would I know? They all look the same.
I dyed it. You can tell because real pink sheep are supposed to have this white. This part.
Good for you. Ugh, I'm hungry now. Dang. Okay, I think I'll make a direct access point to the top. Is that a direct access point? I have
Oh,
no
and guys,
idea.
say happy birthday, Yura, in the comments.
Yeah, it's Yuta's birthday today. Woo! Well, thanks for watching episode 1. Make sure to watch 2 too.